Welcome to Somfy's video manual for Somfy-powered rolling shutters. In this video, you will learn how to configure the Somfy Altus RTS motors using a single-channel handheld remote. Before we begin, remember to create a drip loop to prevent water intrusion. All wiring must conform to the local codes. Do not use motor cable to penetrate building walls. Connect the motor to power in a listed junction. If cutting the motor cord, leave at least 12 inches as the RTS antenna is embedded in that part of the cord. Connect the motor to power. Remember to power only one motor at a time. To initiate programming, press both up and down buttons simultaneously. The motor jogs. Check the direction of rotation by pressing up or down. When pressing up, the shutter should move up. If necessary, reverse the direction by pressing the My button until the motor jogs. Next, we'll set the limits. Move the shutter to the desired upper limit. Briefly press My and down simultaneously. The shutter will move down. Stop the shutter near the desired lower limit by pressing the My briefly. Adjust if necessary by pressing up or down. Briefly press the Up and My buttons simultaneously. The shutter moves up and, unless stopped via transmitter, will travel to the upper limit. Now press My for about 2 seconds until the motor jogs. As a final step, briefly press the programming button on the control. The motor jogs, confirming the settings. The motor is now in user mode and ready to use. Now is the ideal time to program additional controls, sensors, or accessories. Thanks for watching. Visit us on rollershield.com for more information.